Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel today because it's a special day for Freya. She's about to experience her very first Qatar National Day fireworks fiesta. And we're taking you along for the adventure. One of the absolute highlights of Qatar National Day is the breathtaking fireworks show at Corniche, lighting up the night sky in celebration. The show usually kicks off between PM and 8:10 PM. Given that we have our little one, we opted to steer clear of the bustling Corniche and headed to Al Bida Park near the fire station to catch the spectacular display. We came prepared with a foldable chair, snacks, and hot coffee not only to enjoy the show but also to stay cozy in the chilly weather, turning it into a family picnic. We're making the most of our time while eagerly awaiting the fireworks. Choosing Al Bida Park is a strategic move to avoid the post-event traffic chaos. While the park may also see its fair share of visitors, it's quite spacious, making it easy for families like ours to find a comfortable spot to unwind. Some even bring their own carpets and food to create a cozy and festive atmosphere. It's truly a joyous occasion for everyone. While anticipating the much-anticipated fireworks display, we opted to make the most of our time by leisurely strolling through the park. The ambience was delightful, with families engaged in various activities, and the park exuding a lively atmosphere. Taking in the scenic surroundings, we eventually found ourselves on Al Bida Bridge, a picturesque pathway connecting directly to Al Bida Park and conveniently located near the bowling center. As we traversed the bridge, a fascinating scene unfolded before us. The bridge not only offered a serene view of the surroundings but also provided a unique vantage point to observe the traffic snarl leading towards Corniche. The hustle and bustle of cars navigating through the city's thoroughfares added a dynamic element to the pre-fireworks excitement. Additionally, the bridge was abuzz with the anticipation of the imminent spectacle, as a multitude of visitors had gathered, eagerly awaiting the grand showcase of lights that was about to unfold in the night sky. The sense of camaraderie among the crowd added to the overall festive atmosphere, creating a palpable sense of excitement and shared celebration. Now, let's shift our focus to the star of the evening, the fireworks. As the night sky ignited with bursts of color, Freya was left awestruck by the dazzling explosions. It was like witnessing a mesmerizing light show, a celebration of Qatar's National Day. Yet, it wasn't just about the fireworks. The entire atmosphere buzzed with music, laughter, and a profound sense of pride for our second home Qatar. Freya fully immersed herself in the rich culture and spirit of this special day, capturing the essence of the celebration. What an incredible experience! Freya's first Qatar National Day fireworks fiesta became a magical journey, brimming with happiness and amazement. We want to express our gratitude for being part of this wonderful journey with us. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exhilarating content. Until our next adventure, keep spreading positivity and savoring the joys of life. See you in the next video.